One in five U.S. jobs faces a high risk of being automated by AI right now. Could your career be next? The clock is ticking. Recent data from Statista reveals that 20% of all U.S. jobs are at high risk of automation by artificial intelligence. That means roughly one in five workers could see their roles fundamentally changed or replaced. This is not a distant future scenario. It's happening now and accelerating. Industries that rely heavily on routine or repetitive tasks are the most vulnerable. As AI tools improve, the scale and speed of job disruption are expected to grow quickly. The jobs most exposed to AI automation tend to involve predictable, repetitive tasks. Administrative support roles, such as data entry clerks and receptionists, face significant risk. Manufacturing jobs that rely on routine manual operations are also highly vulnerable. Even some customer service roles that follow scripted interactions are increasingly replaced by AI chatbots. This shift is forcing workers in these sectors to rethink their career paths urgently. AI technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, driving down costs and improving efficiency. Companies are adopting AI solutions to automate tasks that were once thought to require human judgment. This trend is fueled by breakthroughs in machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. As a result, businesses across sectors are rapidly integrating AI to stay competitive, accelerating job automation beyond what was expected just a few years ago. While 20% of jobs face high AI risk, many roles remain relatively safe. Jobs requiring creativity, critical thinking, and complex interpersonal skills are much harder to automate. Professions such as healthcare providers, educators, managers, and creative artists depend on human insight that AI cannot easily replicate. These areas could offer more stable career options as automation spreads. With automation threatening many roles, workers need to adapt quickly. Upskilling through education and training in tech-related fields or human-centric skills can help safeguard your career. Emphasizing creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving may make you less replaceable by AI. Staying informed about AI trends and proactively planning your career path is more urgent now than ever. One in five U.S. jobs is at high risk of AI automation today. This means your career could change dramatically in the near future. Understanding which roles are vulnerable and focusing on uniquely human skills is crucial. Stay ahead by adapting and upskilling now. Subscribe to Daily Q&A for the latest updates on AI and your job future.